Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to another tutorial. Today I'll show you how to make a picture using Lightworks. To do that I will import another video like this, and now go to video over here and right click on it, click tracks, add video, and drag and drop for example, another video up here. I will now trim a bit so they are the same size, and now go to VFX on the top. Go to DVE over here and make sure that you select this 2D DVE. Just drag and drop on the top on the above video like this. Under the scale, reduce the master. If you hover over the video, you can move it on the top right or left corner, and you can use these handles to further reduce the video size. And if I click play, you can see that we have two videos, picture in picture. And if you find this helpful, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.